All right, I'm gonna do my best to not get stuck. This is so hard. I don't know why. Wow. Turning circle fail. Wow, literally saying the word fail after what you just tried and failed to do, fail. Jesus Christ, where did that come from? I had no idea they did this. Like, and I'm not sure it's common at all. Stake out what I assume is going to be a suburb, but obviously of very big houses. Do whatever you want, but I'm not buying the property unless you leave the pile. Honestly, I guess I'm happy for whoever ultra wealthy people are going to come out here and live here. It's the first time in a long time I thought, like, damn. This is on Route K, by the way. It's like very... When I say I had no idea they did this, isn't it a little early?